Namaskar Sampurnama. Hello everyone. Hope all of us are doing fine. Each one of us are battling with this crucial moment led through pandemic related virus. Some of us are quarantined and every one of us are indoor except frontliner workers, and we have huge and immense respect on them because they are there in the field just to help us to go through this crucial time. At the same time, in the present context, our leader, हामी सबैको निम्ति प्रणेता Mr. Ujjwal Thapa is battling with the same pandemic-related virus. हामी सबैजना, we all of us from each corner of our heart is praying that he will be back among us with the same ideology and leadership. His motive of transforming the nation into youth-led nation and into a developed nation will never fade out. We are continuing it. Me myself, without I have never met him in person. I have never seen him in person, and I have never talked to him in person. But I'm deeply connected to Mr. Ujjwal Thapa because I have initiated a few of the programs in the platform founded by him many years ago. So I while during organizing the events in the platform founded by Ujjwal Thapa, I also had an objective of conveying the message to the youth like me and thousands of youth that we ourselves, our fertile minds is obviously going to make our nation into a better nation, in a better transformed nation. So let us all pray for Mr. Ujjwal Thapa. uh, in the same context, I would like to announce you that few weeks ago, I announced that I would be hosting the podcast through my team, Ganthan team, but I could not make it possible, and I'm really sorry to disappoint you people. But also the good news is I'm going to run a live session through my own YouTube channel, and this will be my YouTube channel, and I will be having a conversation. The session will be named as Contemporary with Coco. Why did I kept this name? Why this topic of my session Contemporary with Coco is because I'm always affected with the contemporary issues. अहिलेकै अवस्थामा पनि हजारौँ हजारौँ व्यक्तिहरूले कुनै पनि राजनीतिज्ञहरूलाई लज्जास्पद ठहर्याउनु, दोषी ठहर्याउनु र राजनीतिज्ञहरूले पनि आफू दोषीको जिम्मेवार वहन गर्नु भनेको एउटा नयाँ सभ्यता बनेको छ, जुन कुरा हाम्रो लागि एकदमै धेरै अप्रिय बन्न पुगेको छ। र यही बेलामा हामीले जुन उज्जवल थापाजीको ट्रिटमेन्टको लागि हामीले उहाँको शीघ्र स्वास्थ्यको लागि जति कामना गर्यो, जति सहयोग गर्यो, जति प्रार्थना गरिरहेका छौँ होइन, यो भनेकै एउटा पर्फेक्ट लिडरसिपको र एउटा हस्तान्तरण गर्ने जुन एउटा प्रक्रिया हुन्छ त्यसको उदाहरण पनि हामी उज्जवल थापाजीबाट पनि हामी केही लिन सक्छौँ, हामीले देखिरहेका छौँ होइन। सो त्यस्तै विषयमा म मेरो सेसनमा चाहिँ डिफरेन्ट फर्टर्निटीको व्यक्तित्वहरूलाई अगाडि ल्याएर चाहिँ होइन, विभिन्न क्षेत्रमा अहिले पेन्डेमिकले पनि र अरू विभिन्न क्षेत्रलाई कसरी पेन्डेमिकले असर गरेको छ र अहिलेको समसामयिक विषयमा के हुँदैछ भन्ने विषयमा हामी छलफल गर्नेछौँ। र म यो सेसनको ले चाहिँ हजुरहरूलाई डिसपोइन्ट गर्दा पनि गर्दिनँ र आई विल कम विथ द सेसन very soon within this week. Please stay tuned, and thank you so much for believing on me, trusting on me. I've received lots of messages regarding podcast, and I will be coming with my session, and I support content team. I wish them a very good luck.